Light, huh? It should be coming off now. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
Done.
Where's the water at?
Touch it, dude.
Right there.
Where's the water? Touch your easy.
Where's the Oscar bucket at?
Or bring the sandpaper or the whatever, the fucking sanding equipment you guys have. So we can
Tuggle,
sand
tuggle.
You guys, did anyone bring the buck opener?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, did you guys bring the one for the tools too? Alright, there we go. Have this here.
Now go get a sawzall.
So someone prepare it.
You prepare it.